Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram music not working. So guys, when you want to add any song or want to add any music on your Instagram story or any reel, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your Instagram app. So guys, here you can see now I am going to upload my story on Instagram. So guys, here I am selecting any picture. So guys, for example I am use this one, and guys after this you can find here the option of sticker. So guys, simply you need to click on it, and guys after this here you will find the option of music. So guys, simply you need to click on it. So guys, you can use any music from here or want to add any song from here on your story. So guys, for example I am using this one. So guys, now you can see it has been worked successfully on my Instagram story. So guys, if your music is not working on story, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to go back, and guys after this you need to update your Instagram app from Play Store. So guys, open your Play Store, and here guys, here you need to search Instagram, and after this you need to click on Instagram, and guys after you need to update your Instagram from here. So guys, if your app is not updated, then you need to update from here, and guys after doing this you need to go back, and guys after doing this you need to open your settings, scroll it down, click on app management, and after this here you need to click on app list, and guys after this you need to scroll it down, and here you need to find Instagram. So guys, I am going to search here. So guys, simply you need to click on Instagram, and guys click on storage and cache, click on clear cache, and guys after doing this you need to go back. So guys, after doing all the settings your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem in your Instagram, so guys simply you need to open your settings again, click on system, click on reset phone, click on reset Wi-Fi and settings, and click on reset, and guys after doing reset network settings your problem will be fixed. So guys, after doing all the things, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to open your Instagram app, click on your main profile, click on three lines, click on settings and privacy, and guys scroll it down, click on help, and click on report a problem, and click on report a problem, and guys after this you need to wait for a few seconds, and guys after this click on include and continue, and guys here you need to write your problem related to your music, that your music is not working on reels or on story. So guys, if you have any kind of problem you need to write here, and guys here you need to upload your screenshot of your problem, and guys simply you need to click on send, and guys after sending your problem within a day your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.